Hello guys! I know that I haven't been here for a while, but I am back! And this is my favorite month because of Halloween. Here in Serbia we don't have Halloween, and that's so sad. I took for my neighbor a shirt. I don't have a shirt. And I used a regular tissue to make this tie. I created this tie. Tie. And I prepared just few products. White foundation. And if you don't have white foundation, you can use Supra color. Yes, Supra color. Red body paint, black body paint, and some crayons, black and red, white and black eyeshadows. So let's start. Guys, I'm working. It's my boyfriend. I forgot the most important thing for Halloween. If you want to create a great Halloween makeup, you need to have perfect lenses. For Halloween, you need to have lenses. Will they stop sending me messages? I will use wig today and bald cap. If you don't have bald cap, it's okay just to use the wig. And let's begin. What did you say? What about light? Oh my god, I forgot to turn off this light. I bought a new light for you, for new videos. Okay. Beautiful. I love it. I feel pretty. I really feel beautiful. I don't know why. But I like it so much. I